I personally was thinking Trumponomics meant weak U.S. dollar, and I just want to shift to our other two panelists. If Are we looking at a situation where gold just continues to trade inversely to the U.S. dollar? Let's get Rick Rule first and then Trey. That's what we've seen. Do you expect to continue to see gold trade inversely to the U.S. dollar? And if the U.S. dollar remains strong because Trump is not weakening the dollar, is this a bad sign for gold?
I would actually defer to the other two speakers mostly on that topic. I will say that in my own experience, gold is traded partially inversely to the U.S. dollar and probably more specifically inversely to the U.S. 10-year Treasury. Sort of echoing, however, what James said, it's going to be difficult for Trumponomics to affect it, given that he appears to be starting, 50 or 60 fights simultaneously. In a political organization as small as Sprott, I find I have to win one battle at a time, and I'm not so sure in a country the size of the United States that Trumponomics has any particular chance of succeeding if he isn't able to focus on sort of one pick at a time. My own personal suspicion, and it's just that, I'm more a credit analyst than I am an economist, we have a situation where both gold and the U.S. dollar are simultaneously doing well in the global circumstance. That could be, as Doug Casey says, because we're the prettiest mare at the slaughterhouse, because there's so much problem in other parts of the world. This has happened twice before that I remember in my career. In 1975 it happened, and in 2001 it happened. And in both cases, the U.S. dollar softened afterwards, and it had a wonderful impact on gold. Whether past its prologue, I'll have to defer to James and Trey.